Hello everyone, welcome to Mosio. I'm going to quickly run you through 4 modules starting with TextChat. Now in your system, if you haven't been encouraged to do so, you'll see on top of TextChat your dedicated texting number. Go ahead and pull out your phone and you can text a message into that and you'll see it show up here. Now when it shows up here, you'll get a little warning and notification. To answer, you just click answer and you start typing in and you can see what it looks like. Now, I'm not going to go over all the features. There's a lot for TextChat. We'll do that. That's in another video, but that will get you started as soon as possible. Next, we'll go to surveys. So for surveys, we've got 3 samples in here. Surveys are very, very straightforward. So to edit a survey, you just click on edit. You can choose the type, yes or no. You type your question in and you can see you have up to 600 characters per survey question. And then you have an error message. You don't have to have an error. You don't have to type a custom error message for each. There's one down here at the bottom that I'll show you. But anyway, that's how you set that up. I'll go ahead and hide the editor. To add a new question, you just click on add question, type your question in there, and then you choose the type and click update. Now, additional configurations that we have, if there's an error, if you have a yes or no question and they type in a 5, the default says, sorry, we did not recognize the value of that answer. Please try again. You can change that to whatever you want. And when they finish a survey, same thing. We have, thank you, you've completed the survey, but you can type in your own message right here. Now, what we call nudges or unresponsive participants, you can choose if they don't respond or don't complete a survey after a certain number of hours, you can either email someone on your staff, send an alert or a nudge, and then click update there. When you're done with the survey, or if you want to create another one, you just click on copy survey. It will ask you to name it, and then you can start filling it out that way. If you want to test it on yourself or send it to a participant, you just type in their phone number, their mobile number, and the participant ID, and click send. At the top, there's a whole host of other things. You can export the survey results via CSV. You can check all the user responses and do what you need to with the data at that point. Next, we'll talk about storylines. So storylines are what I call our internal killer app. The main page that our clients spend the most time on with regards to storylines is what we call enroll and monitor. That's this page. So you enter the mobile number, the participant ID, the start date, and then you click add user. And when you click add user, they'll get a day 0 message, which I'll show you in a second if you have one there. After they're enrolled, then this is where you monitor them. You can see their start date, last activity, and then there's also actions that you can take. You can add them to new storylines, move them to others, change their phone number, which happens, and that will keep everything seamlessly in their participant ID. So to update a storyline, you just click on days in storyline. I mentioned the day 0 message. You can send a survey. Most clients will just have their day 0 message be an alert that says, welcome to the study. It's entirely up to you. To edit the days, you just click on that. You can also edit and send a different survey if you choose. You can delete it. If for an alert, you can edit the day, you can edit the time, or you can click and edit the text. Now to add a new one for, say, day 3, I'll choose 9 a.m. and I'll choose an alert and I would type it there. Any surveys I've created in the last window will then be available for me to select, and then I click on add day. Once a storyline is created, you can copy the storyline and do this all over again, or make changes if you have, say, two different cohorts. Now we'll move to appointments. So appointments on the main window, this will show you any upcoming appointment reminders that you have that are being sent. To send a single appointment, you just click on single appointment scheduler. You click on the date and the time. To add it, the participant ID, which you can look up if they're already in your system. You don't have to type a first name, but you can. And then you type in their phone number and you click schedule there. For uploading a batch via CSV, we make it very, very easy to do that. So you can choose when to send, you can type in the reminder message, and then you choose what happens when they click on yes. So you can have, just the basic, thank you for confirming it, or you can enter your own optional one. This is where you choose your file, and then you click schedule appointments. And if you have any doubt as to what the CSV file should contain, you can read that here. So that's it for these 4 modules. If you have any questions, you can email us at support@mosio.com or visit us at mosio.com/support.